Along a rugged and moody stretch of the Atlantic coastline in Nova Scotia, Rockbound emerges as a beacon of both mystery and strength. Designed by Omar Gandhi Architects, the retreat stands atop a rocky shoreline where the land meets the sea in a dramatic encounter. The setting is one of contrasts, harsh and serene, private and open. Here, nature's power is palpable, with crashing waves and fierce winds dominating the landscape. Yet the house offers a sheltering refuge. Named after the very rocks that support it, Rockbound is a study in resilience, a home shaped by its environment as much as by the architects who envisioned it. As one approaches Rockbound, the building's clean and minimal facade presents an almost secretive face to the world. The retreat is composed of 3 timber-clad boxes, arranged to echo the natural topography of the coastline. The first impression is one of quiet seclusion. The house does not immediately reveal its relationship with the awe-inspiring ocean views that lie beyond. Instead, it holds back, allowing the experience to unfold gradually. The house's volumes appear grounded and solid, with 2 boxes anchored firmly to the rocky earth, while the third hovers above, suspended between them like a bridge over the rugged terrain. Once inside, the house opens up, offering panoramic views of the ocean and the islands scattered across the bay. The living spaces are arranged to maximize this connection to the sea, with floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interiors with light. Yet, even in its openness, Rockbound remains a place of refuge. Its thick timber walls and steel portals offer protection from the elements, while the careful orientation of the spaces allows the residents to experience both the serenity and the drama of the coastline. From the safety of the interior, they can watch storms roll in across the water, the house standing firm against the fierce winds and rain. The architects have crafted the house not only to withstand the harsh weather conditions of the Atlantic coast, but also to tell the story of the place itself. The materials chosen for the exterior, weathered timber and steel, are meant to age gracefully, responding to the sun, wind, and rain. Over time, the house will bear the marks of its environment, becoming part of the landscape rather than standing apart from it. In this way, Rockbound is not just a house, but a living entity, evolving alongside the ever-changing coastline. The journey to the house itself is an experience of discovery. After traversing through forests and undulating land, the architecture slowly begins to emerge from the natural surroundings. It's only by moving around the structure or entering it that the full extent of its connection to the landscape is revealed. The architects have orchestrated a series of moments designed to heighten the visitor's awareness of the environment. The private, enclosed exterior contrasts with the openness of the interior, where large apertures and carefully framed views bring the majesty of the Atlantic into focus. The interior spaces are a continuation of the theme of contrast and connection. Upon entering, One moves through a sequence of rooms that shift from public to private, from open to enclosed. The living areas, located on the lower level, are open and bright, with expansive views of the bay. In contrast, the private areas, including the suspended bedroom, feel more intimate, offering moments of quiet reflection. The house's design creates a dialogue between these two types of spaces, allowing the residents to move fluidly between solitude and connection, between shelter and exposure. Building Rockbound on such a challenging site was no small feat during construction. The architects encountered a fissure in the bedrock, which threatened to derail the project. But instead of redesigning the entire structure, they devised an innovative solution: a series of micropiles strategically placed in the rock to support the house. This foundation, combined with a steel superstructure, ensures that Rockbound can withstand the extreme weather conditions that frequently batter the coast, including hurricane-force winds. Despite the technical challenges, the architects succeeded in creating a home that feels effortlessly integrated into its environment. The steel portals on the west facade not only add visual texture, but also serve a functional purpose, helping to regulate the interior climate. The collaboration between the architects, builders, and consultants was critical in achieving the clean, continuous lines of the timber cladding and ensuring that the building's volumes remained pure and unbroken. One of the most striking aspects of Rockbound is the way it seems to float over the landscape. The central timber box, which houses the private bedroom, is suspended above the living spaces, cantilevered out over the rocky shore. This creates a feeling of weightlessness, as if the house itself is reaching out towards the sea. Inside, the bedroom offers a more intimate and curated view of the ocean, with windows that frame the horizon in a way that feels both expansive and personal. It's a place where one can retreat from the world, yet still remain connected to the beauty of the surroundings. For the clients, Rockbound is more than just a retreat. It's a place of rejuvenation and inspiration. It offers them an escape from their busy lives, a sanctuary where they can immerse themselves in the wild beauty of the Atlantic coast. The house is a testament to the power of architecture to both respond to and enhance the natural world, creating a space where one can truly connect with the landscape. Through its careful orchestration of space, light, and material, Rockbound offers a profound experience of place, one that is both mysterious and awe-inspiring.